After showing up as a totally revamped vehicle for 2023, the Honda Pilot is expected to show up as a carryover model for the 2024 version year. We don't expect to see any kind of major changes for the upcoming midsize SUV, which isn't a negative point as the redesign has made the SUV even more competitive in the sector. The redesign for 2023 saw the Honda Pilot adopt a more upscale design, though the midsize SUV continues to have a conservative look. The 2024 Pilot ought to share the same total style as the existing Pilot that's on sale. The front end of the SUV has a square grille, rectangular front lights that are linked by a trim piece, and also angular elements under of the front fascia. The boxy design of the Pilot carries on to the back where the SUV has an upright rear end, round tail lights, and a level rear bumper. The interior design of the current Pilot has a basic, straightforward design that must go the same for 2024. The Pilot has a straightforward control panel with a main touchscreen that sits on top of the dash, square air vents, as well as large physical controls for the AC system. The family-friendly SUV uses seating for approximately 8 as conventional, while a removable middle second row seat in the Touring and Elite goes down seating to 7. When it comes to technology functions, Honda offers the Pilot with a basic 7-inch touchscreen, a 7-inch electronic tool collection, Apple CarPlay, Android Automobile, Bluetooth, and also 7 audio speakers. Readily available attributes consist of a 9-inch touchscreen, a 10.2-inch electronic tool collection, a cordless billing pad, a Wi-Fi location, as well as 12 audio speakers. These features need to remain to be used on the 2024 Pilot. Under the hood, the 2024 Honda Pilot is anticipated to come with a 3.5-liter V6 engine that's discovered in the existing model. The V6 is ranked at 285 horsepower as well as 262 pound-feet of torque. The engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive is conventional and also all-wheel drive is offered. The Honda picking up collection of sophisticated security functions is common on every Pilot. The collection includes flexible cruise control, automatic emergency braking, onward collision caution, traffic indicator acknowledgement, traffic jam help, lane separation caution, as well as lane maintaining aid. Readily available attributes consist of blind spot monitoring as well as back cross traffic alert. We expect these safety and security includes to remain to be available on the 2024 Pilot.